Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. So if you just gotten yourself the Huawei P20, here are some essential tips to maximize your usage of the phone. Now the first two tips will be based on saving your battery, and first is to set the auto brightness off. To do that, you'll need to first swipe from the top of the screen, hit the gear icon at the top right to go to the settings, go to display, and then uncheck the automatic checkbox at the brightness adjustments. Now this will save you a lot of battery life, as I tested it on and off for a couple of days and I got a full day's use of usage till about 11 PM by simply manually adjusting the screen's brightness instead. Another way to improve your battery life is to change the screen resolution, and to do that, just go back to settings, go to battery, then hit screen resolution and select HD Plus instead of FHD Plus. And speaking of the screen, if you are one of those people who absolutely hate the existence of the notch, you can always remove the notch by going to settings, display, go to notch, then you can either choose the notch by default or hide the notch. Now since the Huawei P20 has a physical home button, you can do a lot more with it instead of just heading to the home screen. Now in order to make that adjustments, just head to settings, scroll down to system, go to system navigation. Now here's where you have 4 options, and then choose off screen navigation. Then you can touch the home screen button once to go to the home screen, slide left or right to go to the recent task, swipe up to open Google Assistant, and touching the home button twice to go back. Or alternatively, you can even try other navigation options too. Now as mentioned in my full Huawei P20 review, there is an additional shortcut feature which even some Huawei users may not know of. First is of course to knock the screen twice with one knuckle to take a screenshot, knocking the screen twice with 2 knuckles to take a video screen recording, using your knuckle to draw a line across the screen to go to app split screen mode, and using your knuckle to select an area to take a screen grab of the selected area, which you can always adjust the shape size, save it into your gallery or share it as well. There is also a super quick way to open your camera app by just pressing the volume down button twice, and to enable that, go to the camera app, head to settings, scroll down to Ultra Snapshot, then choose Open Camera. Then you'll be able to open your camera app immediately even if the screen is off by pressing the volume down button twice. Now other than the fingerprint unlock, you can use the face unlock, and to do this you'll need to set it up at the settings, security and privacy, face unlock, enter your pattern, then enroll your face. And this works really fast for the face unlock even at a barely lit area. Now instead of organizing folders, if you want to fit all your app and create an apps drawer, you can do by heading towards the settings, display, home screen style, then choose drawer, and here's where the drawer will appear at the bottom middle of the phone, where the apps are all arranged in alphabetical order. Then there's also another cool feature called Private Space, where it'll bring you to another home screen feature which has a whole new interface under that. And to activate that, just head to settings, security and privacy, then hit Private Space, hit enable, insert a new pattern which has to be different than the previously used one. Then you have the choice to register a new fingerprint if you want to, and you're in. Here's where you come to a completely customizable layout and screen. Then you can adjust it accordingly. And to exit, you just swipe up from the notification bar, touch the set password protection, then you can quit private space or delete it if you want to. Alright guys, so that's my personal tips on the Huawei P20. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and do let me know if you have any other cool tips that you guys can think of as well. And don't forget to subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so, and hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys as usual next week.